Hey everybody, Felix Stoffelbaker here. Wanted to make a video about something that happened in October of 2021, and that was an article that I read that I meant to do a video on, and really coming around to it now makes a lot more sense. The idea has matured and things have played out a little bit more. So I wanted to read this article. It's all over, but this one's from Gadgets 360. Bakkt inks deal with Google use cryptocurrency for real-time transactions. This partnership will focus on the overall crypto and online payment sector in the U.S. This is from October 11th, 2021. Highlights are the deal was inked over the weekend on Saturday, October 10th. The partnership will enable everyday purchases with crypto. This deal has been made for the U.S. for now. Google and U.S.-based crypto marketplace Bakkt have entered into a fresh partnership. The two companies announced the deal on Sunday, October 10th. As part of this agreement, nearly 10 million Bakkt users will be able to link their virtual Visa debit cards with Google Pay and purchase goods and services online using cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Once the Bakkt cards are linked to Google's payment services, cryptocurrencies will get converted into the government-backed fiat currency seamlessly whenever making payments. Earlier this year, Bakkt released its own Visa debit card to enable crypto-based transactions for its users. With this card's integration with Google Pay, when a Bakkt user pays for something via cryptocurrency, the monetary value associated with the good or service will be converted into fiat for the transaction. As per Gavin Michael, the CEO of Bakkt, the partnership with Google Pay will allow to enjoy their digital assets in real-time, secure, reliable manner. As a part of the partnership, Bakkt will also be using the Google Cloud as its cloud services provider to write its services to crypto-associated retailers and merchants around the U.S. This new crypto-supporting deal in the U.S. comes at a time the country is exploring ways to explore the world of virtual currencies. Earlier last week, U.S.-based theater chain AMC added Dogecoin to the list of cryptocurrencies that it was accepting as payment method alongside Bitcoin and Ether. In a recent report, the Bank of America also said that the industries backed and based on cryptocurrencies have witnessed a major global explosion, making the space too large to ignore. Now think about that. What in the world is going on? This happened back in October, and at the time that I noticed it was basically on the road and some other stuff, and just, you know what I mean, got caught by the wayside. But literally, Bakkt is the subsidiary company of the group that runs the New York Stock Exchange. Like, this is unfathomably large, like, in scale of what is capable now, because they linked with Google, and not just Google. If you read in there, Google Cloud Services, and that's so key, because Google Cloud Services, that specific Google Cloud, is literally a standby block producer on the EOS blockchain. So who do you think the chain is going to be that Google uses cryptocurrency for real-time transactions? What's the only blockchain? Bitcoin is a 10-minute block every 10 minutes. So Bitcoin's not instant. Half millisecond block time with EOS. Is that instant? Is that real time? Most people think 3 seconds are real time. So you better believe it. You better believe it. You bet your bottom dollar. This is crazy, guys. I mean, it's like you can only just spell it out for people so much. Like, they're just never going to believe anything. They'll never be in the group that sees 2, 3, 4, 5 steps ahead. They'll always be looking 2, 3 steps behind, figuring out what they did or how they could have in that moment done something different. When if you're just looking ahead, that's why it's just so unacceptable that the price of EOS is where it is at this point. This is insane. Everybody knows that Google Cloud is an EOS standby block producer. They inked a deal with Bakkt, and people aren't even talking about it. So it's just crazy. Stuff like that going on all over, and just another confirmation and another data point in the mind web that makes EOS the most attractive asset, especially given the price. But the problem is it's been that way for so long that it needs to start showing some appreciation, or people are going to start really having to rethink things. But we can see that this is huge, and I don't see anybody else talking about it. So I just want to put that out there. Stoffel Baker out.